Hey friends, so I found these top websites that are really going to pay you $100 every single day just by doing a very simple task. And some of these websites you never heard about this website, but they're going to pay you up to $20,000 per 1 year. These websites are very trusted and they're really going to give you really cash in this year 2024. So let's dive in and see all these websites and how much you're really gonna make when you try out this website. So our very first website is called TestableM, and this platform is going to pay you every time you perform very simple task on this platform. As you can see here, if you're just going to answer one question, you can get $3, $5 or $6. It just depends on the type of question that you're just going to answer on the platform. On this website you can end up making up to $50 every single day, so you're supposed to answer different questions on this platform for you to make at least $50 every single day on this platform. So if you're just going to answer different questions, this can help this website to understand well about human brain, about our mind and how our mind works, and this can help them in their researches and experiment. So you can see all these good reviews about this website, and people they say that they really get paid on the platform. So you have to go ahead and try this website and see how much you're just going to make, because you're just going to make money just by answering very simple questions. Alright, so our next website is called CrowdT, and this website is going to pay you just by doing a very simple task, and it's going to pay you up to $50 just by answering questions and testing a product on the platform. And on this website they're just going to ask you very simple questions like, tell us about your lifestyle, and if you answer these questions you can get paid. And this is nothing like other websites that you can answer different questions, you can do researches without you getting paid, but on this website you can really get paid. As you can see here, there are good reviews. Many people they say that they're making up to $150 a month, so you can go ahead and try it, because all these reviews they say that they get paid. And on this website you can get paid by gift cards, as you can see here, and all of this just after finishing a very simple task on this platform. So you have to go ahead and try this website. Next on the list we have Amazon Mechanical Turk, and on this platform you can get hired by a person or a business to perform micro tasks on the platform. So after joining on this platform, you're just going to perform very simple task, and this task can be like reading feedbacks and helping the company to select a good picture to represent the product, but also translating content from this language to another language and answering different questions from customers. All you need to do right now, you have to go to this website, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and you can see there are a lot of available jobs, so you can apply to these jobs and you can start performing this simple task and getting paid. There are a lot of people who are making up to $100 a month, $400 a month, up to $1,000 a month. So all you want to do is for you to go ahead and join on this platform and see how much you're really going to make. It usually depends on what you're just going to do on the platform. So the amount of money that you're just going to make, it depends on the task that you're just going to perform on the website. So all the best, and I wish you're just going to try this website, because this is a very trusted website. So our next website is called Horific, and this is going to be really interesting, because on this website you're just going to make $6 to $12 per 1 hour. You can make anywhere around $200 on a monthly basis. So this is how this website works. So on this website you will be participating and answer different questions on academic studies and surveys. So if you're just going to do that, you can get paid decent amount of money on the platform. So your valuable thought will get you paid on the platform, and I'm gonna take you and see all these good reviews. People they say that they get paid reasonable amount of money, they get paid really well on the platform just by answering questions on academic studies and different surveys about academic studies. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to Horific and join on this platform and start participating, and you can get paid reasonable amount of money. Alright, so next on the list we have SaSa, and on this platform you'll get paid to provide your opinion by answering very simple questions. And I've seen good reviews about this website. A lot of people they say you can make at least $20 per 1 hour, but let's say that you're just gonna make at least $8 or $6 per 1 hour. All of this just by answering very simple questions. So you may want to go ahead and give it a try. If you have a free time, you can just go on this website and give it a try and see how much you're really gonna make on the platform. Alright, so our last platform is called GGTU, and this platform is going to pay you simply by playing games, taking surveys, and let the video play at the background of your device, and you can get paid just by doing that. And I've seen good reviews. People they say that They get paid up to $300 on monthly basis. I really hope that you're just going to try one of these websites, because before recording this video I had to make sure that I did research and see all these reviews about how people are saying and how people are talking about this website. So I'm pretty sure that all these websites that I've mentioned in this video, they can really give you at least $100 a month, or at least $200 a month. So for you to start making at least $200 a month is for you to go ahead and try one of these websites, because if you try, who knows, you can make up to $1,000 a month. So I really encourage you, you have to go ahead and try this website and see how much you're gonna make. The good thing about this is really not gonna take all of your time. You can just do it on your free time, 2 hours or 3 hours. You can see how much you can make. I always say this to my friend, that you have to stop watching these videos about how to make money online if you're not going to try one of these websites. So I really encourage you, and I really wish you all the best. You really have to go ahead and you can see how much you're gonna make. Try this. At the end of the time, you can see how much you're gonna make. I've seen a lot of people are making good money, so you have to try this as well. Thank you so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I'm hoping to see you next time. Thank you.